Did you know that the Bugatti Veyron is so fast that it can empty its massive 26-gallon fuel tank in just 12 minutes at full throttle? Imagine the adrenaline rush of that speed. And speaking of speed, the Koenigsegg Agera RS holds the record for the fastest production car in the world, reaching a mind-blowing top speed of 277.9 miles per hour. Now that's what I call a need for speed. Lastly, the McLaren F1 was the first production car to feature a carbon fiber monocoque chassis, setting the standard for lightweight and high-performance vehicles. Which fact did you like best? If you're a fan of sports cars, then you're smarter than 90% of people.